I have confidence in my understanding of the law. I believe that no matter what experience I am going through now, good will come of it. I believe that all poverty will be turned to riches, that all fear will be converted to faith. I believe that good will finally triumph over every evil, and that love will finally heal all hate. I believe that I have a silent partnership with the invisible, that this partnership has never been dissolved and can never be. I believe in the invisible presence of good in a universe peopled with perfect and eternal entities. I believe that all things are possible to him who does believe. I have complete confidence in my knowledge and understanding of the law of good. I not only know what the law is, I know how to use it. I know that I shall obtain definite results through the use of it. I realize that doubt about my ability to use this law are things of thought. What thought has produced, thoughts can change. Knowing this, having confidence in my ability to use the law and use it daily for specific purposes, gradually I build up an unshakable faith, both in the law and in the possibility of demonstrating it. There is no doubt in me, no uncertainty rising through me. My mind rejoices in certainty and in assurance. I confidently expect that my word shall not return unto me void,